ബ്രഹ്മാനന്ദം പരമസുഖദം കേവലജ്ഞാനമൂർത്തിം വിശ്വാതീതം ഗഗനസദൃശം തത്വമസ്യാദിലക്ഷ്യം ഏകം നിത്യം വിമലമജരം സർവധി സാക്ഷിഭൂതം ഭാവാതീതം ത്രിഗുണരഹിതം സദ്ഗുരും തം നമാമി. This is the age of Kali, the Kali Yuga. Then our rishis inquired how to overcome the diseases of this Kali, the attack of this Kali. Then they found it that there are 4 Purusharthas: Dharma, Artha, Kama and Moksha. This Moksha concerned is the Parama Purushartha, is salvation. It is the Parama Purushartha. It is the Supreme Purushartha. How to gain this Supreme Purushartha? Then the human beings are take their birth here and living and dying. No one gets the satisfaction of life. Then Kularnava states that Svavana bhudam mokshasya manisham prapya durlabham yastaredi natmanam tasmat papadarotra kim. This human life, this life is the Svavana bhudam. To get salvation, that is the footsteps of this to get salvation. So by the wisdom of this thing, we should try to get salvation. How to get salvation? The rishis gave us so many traditions here. That's our Vaidya, Vaishnava, Shaiva, Saura and Shakta. Amongst these traditions, Shakta tradition is very secret, very hidden method, not to be propagated. The Vaishnava tradition can be propagated, but the Shakta tradition is very secret. Then, how to practice this? To practice Shakta tradition, we should obtain a guru. By the relationship of Guru and Shishya can be get the great achievement of this life, that is known as moksha or salvation. So the relationship between Guru and Shishya is very important there. In Shakta tradition also, there are so many secret vidyas. Amongst these secret vidyas, 10 Mahavidyas, Dasa Mahavidyas are very important. Amongst these 10 Mahavidyas, Sri Vidya is concerned as the queen of this Vidya. The state Sri Shankaracharya in Saundarya Lahari. चतुष्षष्ट्यातंत्री सकलमतिसंधाय भुवनं स्थितस्तत्तसिद्धिप्रसवरतंत्री पशुपति पुनस्त्वन्निर्बन्धादखिलपुरुषार्थैकघटना स्वतंत्रं ते तंत्रं शीतलमवादीतरतिदम्. So, the Sri Vidya is the queen of all other Vidyas to get all Purusharthas, Dharma, Artha, Kama and Moksha, and to get the satisfaction of our life and to attain salvation.